Hello everyone, I am Narayan ji and today I am discussing to Trikonasana and Ardha Matsyendrasana under to obesity for class 12 chapter 3. Now first Trikonasana. Procedure of Trikonasana. First of all, stand with your leg apart, then rise the arms sideways up to the shoulder level. Bend the trunk sideways, right size and size the right hand upward. Touch the ground with left hand behind left foot. After some time, knee should be stretched. After some time, do the same asana with opposite arms in same way. And now benefits of Trikonasana. It helps in improving digestion, stimulating of all the abdominal organ. It increases mental and physical equilibrium. It reducing stress, anxiety, back pain, etc. It help increasing height. It enhance blood circulation. It also reducing excess fat around waistline. Now, contraindications of Trikonasana. Those who suffering from diarrhea, low and high BP, blood pressure, back injury or migraine, avoid doing this asana. And the individual having cervical spondylosis should not be perform this asana. Now, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Procedure. This is done in sitting posture. Sit with leg straight and stretch in front of you. Bend the right leg, lift it and place it on the left side of the stretched left foot. Bend the left leg and bring close to the body. Take the left arm around the right leg and grab the toes of the right leg with the left hand. Now turn toward the right and simultaneously means साथ साथ या एक साथ move the right hand behind the back. Twist the back and the neck as far right as possible. Exhale while twisting the back and neck. Breathe normally and slowly in this position and same repeat with other leg. Now benefits of Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is one of the best pose to improve the flexibility of the spine. It stimulates the liver and kidneys. It stretches the shoulder, hip and neck. It stimulates the digestive fire and the belly. It relieves in asthma and infertility. It also helps in fat, sciatica and backs. Now, contraindications of Ardha Matsyendrasana. Avoid during pregnancy and menstruation due to the strong twist in the abdomen. Who people having recently heart, abdominal or brain surgery should avoid this asana. Those who mild slipped disc can benefit, but in several cases it should be avoided.